Here is a detailed explanation of the three main types of rainfall. 1. Convectional rainfall. This type of rainfall is characteristic of hot climates, particularly in the equatorial regions, where the sun's energy is most intense. Mechanism: heating. During the day, the sun heats the Earth's surface intensely. The air in contact with the warm ground becomes heated, expands, and becomes lighter, less dense. Rising. This warm, light air rises rapidly in the form of convection currents. Condensation. As the air rises into the upper atmosphere, it cools. When it reaches its dew point, the water vapor condenses to form towering cumulonimbus clouds. Precipitation. Eventually, the water droplets become too heavy to be suspended by the rising air currents and fall as rain. Characteristics. It often occurs in the afternoon. It is usually associated with thunder and lightning and falls as a heavy, short-lived downpour. 2. Orographic relief rainfall. Orographic comes from the Greek word oros, meaning mountain. This rainfall is caused by physical barriers like mountains or hills. Mechanism: ascent. Moist wind blowing from the sea encounters a mountain range. The mountain acts as a barrier, forcing the air to rise up its slope. Cooling. As the air rises, it expands and cools, adiabatic cooling. Eventually, it becomes saturated and clouds form. Windward side. Heavy rainfall occurs on the side of the mountain facing the wind, known as the windward side. Leeward side, rain shadow. After crossing the mountain peak, the air descends on the other side. As it descends, it warms up and its capacity to hold moisture increases. Consequently, this side, known as the leeward side, receives very little or no rain. Example: the Western Ghats in India receive heavy rain on the western slopes, while the Deccan Plateau on the eastern side stays relatively dry. 3. Cyclonic frontal rainfall. This type of rainfall is associated with the movement of cyclones and depressions. It is most common in temperate zones where warm and cold air masses meet. Mechanism: convergence. It occurs when a warm air mass meets a cold air mass. These two air masses do not mix easily due to different densities. Front formation. The boundary zone between them is called a front. Lifting. The lighter, warmer air is forced to rise gently over the heavier, denser cold air. Precipitation. As the warm air rises along the front, it cools and condenses, leading to rainfall. Characteristics. Unlike convectional rain, cyclonic rain can last for several hours or even days. It is generally steady but not as intense as a thunderstorm,